Alright guys, what's going on? It's Oracle Grower here, and I want to go over a few things when you're doing your lifters and retainers and stuff like that for the top of the lifter guides. So what I want to do here is show you what you got to do to make sure that you're doing it the right way here. So when you get your new lifters in, get your new guide plates on there and get your retainer on there, what you're gonna need to do, because once you torque this down, this is 18 foot-pound, 1618, one of those. So once you torque down that bolt right here in the center, what that's gonna do is it's gonna bring these two side pieces, it's gonna push them outwards, which is gonna push down on these and push these guide plates also outwards. So when I was doing the other side, I noticed that after I did torque it down and tighten it up, that it pushed this, it pushed the retainer all the way over. And so it was actually binding up on the lifter. So watch, you can see how much it goes over. So that's basically what it does when I tightened it down. So now you can see that on this side over here, it's substantially more pinched than this side. And that's when you tighten it down, it pushes this out like that, which then starts binding up on the lifter right here on this side. And I checked that by taking a magnet to the top of this to see if I can plunge it, move it up and down, and I couldn't. So I had to go back, move them over like that, and actually put something in here on this side to hold it from shifting over. And like that, shifting over and causing a pinch right there, which then will put more wear on whichever side has the most friction on the lifter. So make sure you go through and verify that the lifters are free to move up and down with the magnet. You know, put it on there and try to pull it up and down. If not, you're gonna have to go back, readjust these, move them up and down, side to side, get it to where that lifter in there is free when this center bolt is torqued down. Otherwise, you're going to be causing excessive wear to the side of your lifters, the side of your lifter guides. And that basically, what that does is an old lifter. It's when you don't have things and you got them too tight on one side, it's going to really mess things up in there. And then it'll cause excess wear on the side sphere, which then will not hold the lifter in place thoroughly enough. So I got all these are in. See, again, you see the space between the side of the guide and the lifter. It doesn't look like much, and it isn't, and just a little bit makes a difference on one way or the other. So make sure that those aren't in there too tight, because like I said, otherwise that lifter is going to be binding up on the inside there. Nice and free. Nice and free. Free. Right, so those are all moving nice and free, and that's what you want to make sure is happening after you tighten up that bolt. You got to make sure these lifters are free to move up and down. Okay, so make sure you're doing that, and that's it.